Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to buy crypto on OKX. So right now we're here on the homepage, and there are two ways to do this. Let's say, for example, you want to directly buy Ethereum or Solana or XRP or whatever without having to go for USDT first. Well, all we have to do is go to the top left, not the leftmost, but left-hand side. Go to peer-to-peer trading, and while by default suggests USDT, you can simply click on the drop-down arrow and look for the crypto that you would like to buy. So for example, in this case, this is currently the lowest price that we can buy directly. And if you notice, that's quite a significant price on top. This is no longer reflective of the current prices, but it isn't one entire Ethereum after all. We are buying just a fraction of Ethereum, and this is the amount that you would have to pay. Here are the payment methods available with this trader in specific, and as we can see, while it is more expensive than current market price, the others are a lot more so. Now let's go to the other option. Let's say you already have USDT in your account or other crypto, and you simply want to swap it to or buy other crypto. On the top, look for trade and then go to spot. But if you want to get a clearer view, you might want to go to markets first, and we can scroll down here to see what we would like to buy. Say I want to buy lumens. Simply click on trade and it will bring you over to this screen. And so you have options here to trade. Here on the right hand side, you can either go through market for a faster transaction. Say you want to buy 100, you will automatically be given an amount depending on how much you're buying. Now on a limit order, by default, it will give us a static version of the market price when we click limit. And since right now this is the price and put the amount, this is what it would cost. It will automatically calculate for us down here with the USDT how much it will cost. If we put 100 USDT down here, it will automatically calculate as well how much we would be getting. Now the price has updated. You can just click on that and the numbers here will adjust accordingly. Once you buy, the order will be placed. It may be instant or you might have to wait for a while to get your order filled. Now if you want to change the crypto you are trying to buy, simply go here to the top right. Here are your favorites, but you can also click on this drop down right here and then search for the crypto you would like. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.